In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a private Telegram channel without a link, full tutorial. Let's set the stage first. Telegram channels can be public or private. Public channels are discoverable and easy to join. Private channels are restricted and typically require an invite, link, or approval from an admin. What we're doing here is using the channel's name to locate its public-facing Telegram page on the web and let Telegram handle the rest. This doesn't bypass any permissions. It simply helps you find the official entry point if the channel has a visible username or listing. Start by opening a web browser on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type the exact name of the channel you're looking for, followed by the word Telegram. Accurate spelling matters here, and using quotation marks around the name can help narrow results. What you're after is an official result that points to a Telegram page, usually shown as a t.me link with the channel's username. Be cautious of lookalike sites. The correct result should clearly be from Telegram. Once you see the official t.me result, click it. Your browser will prompt you to open Telegram. On a phone, choose to open the link in the Telegram app. On a computer, you might be asked to open Telegram Desktop or continue in Telegram Web. Either option is fine. Just make sure you're signed into your Telegram account so it can load the channel preview properly. After the redirect, Telegram will display the channel's landing screen. From there, Telegram shows you the available on-screen option based on how the channel is configured. A quick reality check. If the channel is truly private and restricted, Telegram will still enforce its rules. You may see a request option, or you might be told that access is limited. That's normal. If approval is required, the channel's admins control who gets in. If the page opens normally, it means the channel has a public-facing username, and Telegram can take you to its preview without a direct invite link. A few tips if nothing opens. Verify the spelling of the channel name and try again. If your phone doesn't jump to Telegram, allow the browser to open the app when prompted. On desktop, confirm Telegram Desktop is installed and updated, or use Telegram Web while signed in. If search results look messy, refresh your query and include the word Telegram to filter out unrelated pages. That's it. Use search to find the official Telegram page. Let the t.me link redirect you and follow what Telegram presents on screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you connect quickly and safely.